Always fascinates me the cranks in these. It always fascinates me the cranks on these. Like, you think you've got so many cylinders in a short space.
Yeah. Sounds the fucking piston.
They're like bloody buckets, aren't they? Huge. Well, I think she's been ridden hard and put away wet, hasn't she?
How the hell will they form a blade like that? Like the dirt bark.
Christ, I don't think I'd fancy timing that bugger up. Jesus H. Good God.
Should make a sorry end, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, Jesus Christ.
This one's a rubber. I would say he's probably had a rubber.
Oh, I can see how they do the cranks now. This is what you call getting down and personal. Yeah. You wouldn't want to get one tooth out, would you? You really wouldn't want to get one tooth out. Hey, Nigel, you seen what's in the corner? I told you, everywhere you go, there's always a Lister D. You hadn't clocked it, had you?
No, I clocked the D in the corner.
That's your donkey engine. To fire one of these bad boys up. Jesus. See, like there's a fair gin set.
Dad had one of these at the top of the garden.
Is that a Petter? I don't know what that is, actually.
Not sure, it's not petrol, is it? No. Can I warm it to the mag, would you?
Well, I'll take the fuel tanks off first, innit? Oh, wow. I think I might need a day or two in an ultrasonic bath, mightn't she?
I did that. After fucking while I went through there from the commercial.
Jeez. Yeah, these buggers have got a story to tell, haven't they?
Thunderbolt, I wonder if that was flown from, I think that's what they used to fly from African Park, is Thunderbolts.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. Is this what is this? What's the Thunderbolt?
Tornado bomber? English electric.
Engine case. Yeah. Would there be some noise going on in there? Ooh.
Not in there. The hell. Yeah, as you said, an eccentric.
Yeah.
But the daft thing is, though, if it isn't for people like the Millingtons, this stuff doesn't exist, does it?
Doesn't scrap.
Yeah. all right, in a lot of cases, like, you know, none of this is any good for anything.
No.
But, as I said, like everything tells a story, doesn't it? Everyone's up the stairs. Oh, this looks like this is the ammunition department. Yeah, look out, this is the armory. Jesus.
I'm amazed he's like, to leave this open like this with nothing.
Hey?
Oh, Bush, no, DCA 19.
Oh, if it comes to radios, you're the man.
And that is someone's radios. Yeah. Who really does some radios? If I can feel it, bring them up. Twice over.
What were the radios your dad's got?
Yeah.
It's just one or two of them. But yeah, that's one for shooting around corners. Good God.
The droop.
Yeah. I think too many beers. Oh my God, Nigel's found the air raid.
It says free to use. So why you got it? Oh, it's not working.
Hey?
It's not working. That rotates like that to stop the sound. Morning.
Nigel's found his new toy.
Always wanted one. Imagine the neighbours if I fired one of them up.
Yeah, get one of them cranked up to a fucking Lister engine, boy. Make after you
We've
Nigel.
been to shows where they have, haven't they?
Yeah. Yeah, and the complaints you've had then. Yeah, tornado.
Bottles up in the roof, not. Look there.
Oh bloody hell!
For a piston. You know what that was?
Oh, hello.
Out of a natural gas engine, yeah. The dad used to work in Leeds, and the plug-in piston on it was bigger than a 45 gallon drum. Yeah. Flywheels was 24 foot across. Yeah. Chippers got in there, coming up in the gas bolts and scrappy. Yeah. Some more from the museum.
I think that was somehow the angle it came in at. I think that one. Jesus.
Right, if you want to see the crank and rotary.
Yeah. Jesus H. Oh my God, It has. Yeah. Frickin' hell.
Now, would you tell the customer it's knackered?
Yeah. Oh, sorry, we can weld that.
Yeah, we get it going. A bit of an oil pressure problem.
Yeah.
A couple of weeks.
Jesus. That sort of increased the V slightly. My word. Fair fucking play.
What it is?
I was going to say, yeah.
Have you seen what it is?
No.
The Messerschmitt.
Oh, is it? Oh, the Germans.
Ah, good art.
Yeah, yeah. Well done, the RAF. Good show.
a German tap here. I bet that fucking thing took 2 years.
Spot on.